In this video of YouTube marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to upload your YouTube videos directly from your phone. Yes guys, sometimes it happens that we don't have our computer or our laptop handy, and in those cases you can use your mobile phone to upload your YouTube videos, and even you can publish your YouTube videos directly from your mobile phone. So let's directly jump into my mobile screen and I'll show you how you can do this. So guys, as you can see right now I'm in my mobile phone screen. Now let's open the YouTube application directly so that I can show you how to upload a YouTube video. So this is a normal YouTube application. You just need to log in with your email ID which you have used while creating your YouTube channel so that you can directly upload and publish your YouTube video directly from the channel, right? So this is the application. You just need to click on this plus icon, and when you click here and the plus icon, you'll be able to see all the options, like if you want to go with your shorts, YouTube shorts, or you want to upload a video, oops, let me go back, or you want to go live, or you want to post. This is for community post, right? So this is also a feature on YouTube, so you can directly create a community post from here as well. So it is asking for verification right now, so let's leave it. To upload a YouTube video, full-fledged proper YouTube video, you need to you need to click on upload a video, and when you click here on upload a video, you'll be able to see all the videos over here, right? As you can see, so basically your file manager will open and you can select the video whatever you want. So these are the sample videos. I'm going to use one of these sample videos. Let's choose this one, this 24-second one. So yeah, the video, it is showing the preview of the video. Now let's just hit the next button, and when I press the next button here, you will be able to see that you can enter the name of this YouTube video. So whatever the name you want to add, you name to this YouTube video, you can name it, and even you can add the description as well. So I'm just adding demo, nothing else. So just demo, and demo, right? So 3 times demo I have added. Now let's go back. Now here in the visibility area, it is right now it is set on public. If you want, you can set it as premiere as well, but it is totally up to you. And if you want, you can keep it unlisted. If you want, you can make it private, and you can schedule the video as well, right? So let's go with the unlist right now. We'll make it public later, right? After this, we do have this location option. If you want to add a location, you can add it manually. You just need to search the place, right? And after this, if you have created a playlist, you can add this video into any playlist as well which you have created. Also here you will be able to see that would you if you want to allow this video to create remix or not and all, right? And then the last option, comment section. If you want to turn off the comment section, you can turn off, make it off from here, right? After this, even you can add the thumbnail as well. If you want, you can add the thumbnail to this video as well, but it is asking to verify the channel, so the account is not verified right now, but in your case it will be verified, and you can directly add the thumbnail from your gallery, right? So this is the first step. What you need to do is just hit the next button. Here it will ask that whether this video is made for kids or not. So obviously in most of the cases the video is not made for kids, but if this video is made for kids, you can click on yes, it is made for kid. And here in the age restriction part, in the advanced area, you can set whether this video is made for 18 above or not, right? So typical YouTube settings, you might already know about these settings, right? Now after this, you can just hit the upload button, and you'll see that uploading to your videos. So this video is getting uploaded, and if I show you here, you can see in the U section here, it is showing that the video is getting uploaded, right? The half where it is done. If I click here in the U section, and here in the your video section, you'll be able to see that the video is getting uploaded. Now it is uploaded. Here it is, you get the notification as well that uploaded uh uploaded to your YouTube, your videos, right? Now you can go to your videos, and right now as you can see, this is unlisted. So what you can do is you can just click here, oops, wait, on the three dot icon, right? in the extreme right hand side corner here, and you can click on the three dot and you can click on edit and you can make it public right from here. If you click on public and just go back and hit the save button, this video will go live. So this is how you can upload a video from your mobile application or from your mobile phone directly. In the next video, I'll show you how you can use YouTube Studio, which is a dedicated application. If I show you YouTube Studio, so you can use YouTube Studio as well in order to uh, get some extra features about uh, uploading settings and all, right? So I'll show you the proper tutorial about YouTube Studio as well, so you don't need to worry about it. But if you just want to upload the video, if you are a totally beginner or a new and you just want to upload a video, then this YouTube application is perfect for you, right? So let's stop this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.